Oh, look. Oh, it's got brakey, boys.
You want to walk around and see the car? You can park your bicycle up here. We'll take care of it for you. We only charge you 50 cents an after.
Let's see this. Let's do a little. Oh, yeah. There's something going on in here, eh? Whoa. Nice. This yours?
Yep.
What year is it?
64.
64?
Yep.
Nice.
Yep.
Where'd you get the motor?
Out of the corner of somebody's garage.
Oh, okay, really?
Yep.
How much horsepower are you pumping out of that thing?
On the street, about 5.5.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. This is quite the build, man. This is awesome.
Yep. It's all Hotchkiss suspension
Yeah.
and 4-wheel disc.
Taking it to the track, I'm assuming?
I have.
You have? Yeah?
Once, yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah,
What's
runs
the-
pretty good. It's fun.
What's the exhaust on it?
3-inch.
3-inch? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's crazy. All right, so this is a Rowdy 1964 Plymouth Savoy wagon. History: U.S. forestry vehicle from Colorado. Originally a 6-cylinder 3-speed on the tree. Now built as a Patina Pro touring street machine. All original panels, 100% original paint on what's left. All right, drivetrain: 2003 NASCAR Hooter Pro Cup Dodge R3 W2 358 CID motor. 625 horsepower at 9,200 RPM. Tremec TKO 6,000 5-speed transmission. Original Chrysler 8 3/4 391 sure grip. That's crazy.
64 Savoy wagon.
9,200 RPM probably sounds pretty nice.
9,200 RPM, eh? That's crazy.
I wish I just.
Came out the Mopar thing.
That reminds me of the whole fucking subway footlong right there. Inside the golf cart, so they should put Volkswagen fucking barbecue.
No barbecue.
Volkswagen just comes off
It's like something you can win over.
upwards, yeah.
I want to hear this thing. I should have asked him, but whatever.
Those Japanese cars.
Yeah.
The Hercules or something.
You make me cry. Always make me cry. Doesn't matter the age. Have a good day.
Brakey boys?
Is it 300 to the winner? It's gotta be. I believe we're up to 300 to the winner. We're also selling tickets on the car, chainsaw carving.
Do you want me to move?
$5
Oh, no.
tickets.
No good yet. Thank
3
you.
for 10. Yeah, that's it. Bring them up here, guys. They're up here.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Thank you.
Is there a NASCAR engine in it? What is
Yes,
it?
there is. Yeah.
Oh, really?
That's good. You can park them there.
Oh.
Everywhere. Oh, don't hit your buddy. Yeah, back him up there. That's it. That's it. Now you got it. By golly, there's a gremlin. All right. We gave that. Don't forget, you get a chance, go down and see Napoleon down there. They're one of our.
I'll find you when he comes back.
Awesome.
I'm gonna go look some cars. So, and he's looking at cars, so I'll probably beat him back because he's younger.
Okay.
Oh, okay.